Welcome to my channel. I'm Zhan Xu. Let's look at the problem 58 in chapter 21. Chapter 21 is about electric charge and electric fields. So there we can see we have electrons moving to the right with initial velocity v0, and we can write it there. And when it enters uniform electric fields, and this electric field is parallel to its direction of motion. If this electron is just slow down and stationary to rest, right, in a space, so this distance is traveled, delta L, we can write it there, 0.01 meter. And the final speed we write as the 0. First one, ask you what direction is required for electric fields. Now we can consider. For the object, it moves with the initial speed and then slow down to stationary. That means the acceleration is at opposite direction. Do you agree? Yes, this is v0 in the chapter 3. So this is the acceleration. And for electric fields, for charge in electric fields, we can see this acceleration comes from the electric force. Do you agree? Yes. And this electric force is the charge times the electric fields, right? And this charge is a negative charge. So you can see, how can you put the negative E times the electric fields to the left? That means the electric fields must to the right. Agree? Yes. So in this way, we can determine the direction for the electric fields is to the right, because the acceleration is to the left, and this acceleration comes from the electric force. Electric force is the charge times the electric fields, and then the charge is negative, so we must make the E to the positive, right? Yes. The next one, can you find the strength of this electric fields? Sure, because we can see we write the net force as the electric force. Charge times the electric fields. The charge is one negative fundamental charge times the electric fields equal to mass times acceleration. Therefore, we can write down the acceleration in this term. Agree? Now you can see you need to find the E. That means you need to find the acceleration A first. How can you get it? You know the initial speed, velocity, the final velocity, and the distance is traveled, delta x. So we use the equation in chapter 3, and then we input v as 0, acceleration as this term, and solve this equation. You get the function for E, and input all the known quantity, get answer there. Thank you.